guys, today I'm going to be fitting my Mac Boost Solenoid to my Mazda Mx5. Help me run high and low boost and control my boost. This is a guide to fit it. Do you ever just get when you're doing something like working in the car, people, it's next to, I think it's next to the neighbour anyway, but they started talking to me, got me distracted. I was probably talking for half an hour about how Germans tried to bomb Lace, making gun bullets for the World War II or something. I had to sneak it, literally. Told him I had to go to the toilet. But really I didn't. Nah, he's a good man. He's a good man. Good old man. Right, back to it. Alright, I've already kind of taped it up and added 2 clips to it. And I got told as I'm going to run the ME221 ECU. You can just wire it into the canister, where the canister plug goes, but I've done delete on that. I'll probably have a video about coming. But yeah, there's a plug here, but I spliced into it, crimped it, double crimped it, and then I'll probably chuck the video or picture somewhere up here of it where the plug used to be. Yeah, I ran it all around, through here, through around there, underneath there. Yeah, ran it through. You probably just about, where is it? Here it is. Ran it through here, tied it to this, and added and crimped to, so you get a good picture of it. Female ends to it for my male ends to go in. I got told, by looking on Mx5 nuts, little nuts, that they wire as a Polaroid or something like that. I can't even say the word. So it doesn't really matter which way you plug it in, vice versa. If I'm going to mount it around here somewhere. Yeah, I made a bracket for it. I know what's around like there, here somewhere, here, but I don't know really, because when I extended the cable I should have made it a bit longer. I think it's probably long enough to go there, but I'll probably throw it a bit here out of the way. So yeah, I'm gonna get some bits for that. All my lines are now hooked. I've got one from the wastegate going in there, one from outlet of the turbo. You can just about probably see it, nipple there, come from there. Yeah, benefits from this is normally you'll upgrade the actuator and change the springs in there to adjust for your boost. What of this, your boost builds up in here, for example a 7k spring, so it lets 7k pressure, whatnot. Once this hits 7k it opens up like this. I'm guessing this is like a restrictor. It allows boost to build up, whatnot. Then once it hits to the right PSI you want, shoots through here and opens up. That all situated now, looking good. My only concerns is this rubber pipe, so I might get somewhere. That'll do. Cover that up, just in case it stops it from melting through the pipe, melting through this, just in case it touches. Finished installing my Boost Solenoid, Mac Boost Solenoid. Got it all polo. Wired it into there, where the charcoal canister used to plug into. Around there, into some. Probably just about to see it. I'll probably tape it up with some black electrical tape. Ran it through. Cable tied it on. Make sure you don't over tighten the brass fittings because you don't want to fucking thread it or break it. Then I'm running port 3 to boost, so off my boost pipe, just nip off just there, and port 2 to wastegate. And yeah, hopefully control my boost. Hopefully I should be able to wire in a switch so I can run high and low boost. That's how I install a Mac Boost controller, I think anyway. Hopefully I've done it the right way, don't hold me to it. But yeah, like and subscribe.